Our 3-day facilitation skills course will provide you with the skills needed to run successful workshops, facilitate ideas generation, problem-solving events, chair meetings, and run your training sessions. If you think about the role of a facilitator, they're not usually there to contribute to the event itself or provide any input. Think of the wedding planner. They can plan a wedding. They can organise the caterers, they can organise the videographer, they can organise the service, they can organise the parking, the invitations, but they're not actually the one getting married. Rather, their job is to provide the resources and the environment in which people can actually come together, generate those ideas or solve that problem. The facilitator makes it happen. Of course, in the workplace, the facilitation roles can be quite diverse. You may be called upon to organise focus groups, chair meetings, organise team building events, away days, and deliver those training sessions and run the ideas or problem solving events too. On the first day of our course, we're going to be exploring language patterns, and we're going to be delving deeper into rapport, looking at how we can use subtleties of words and phrases to better influence and persuade others and connect faster with our delegates. Later, we're going to look at how best to structure a session to not just generate those ideas, but also how we can group them together, categorise them, filter them down, and enable an agreed outcome. On day 2, you'll be taking part in an action learning set. In this, we're going to be looking at alternative ways that you can develop people through helping them overcome their workplace challenges that they may have on a day-to-day basis. Trainers and facilitators alike may sometimes experience challenging behaviours, which can arise from individual issues or even be a result of the message being delivered, especially perhaps around change management issues. We'll be exploring those later in the day, together with reasons as to why people do what they do and strategies that we can put in place to manage or mitigate these behaviours. It's going to be a highly interactive workshop during which you'll have opportunity for discussion and the chance to break out in groups and complete various activities to help embed your learning. On the last day, you'll have opportunity to showcase your own event based upon the issue or topic that you've previously chosen, and this will be assessed against the TAP Facilitation Skills profile.